Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. I haven't sat down and filmed a video since March, I think. I've done a few vlogs, I love doing vlogs, but I thought I would do a sit down video today because the other day it was my birthday. It is now the 23rd of November and my birthday is the 19th of November. Unfortunately, I have been quite sick. You can maybe still hear it, but I've had influenza or whatever, the flu. Really bad cough, blocked nose. So couldn't really do anything on my birthday. I did go out for dinner with my best friend and my boyfriend, but that was about it. So we are going out today instead, and I just wanted to do my makeup for you, just to show you how I would do my makeup when I'm going out. So that is what we're doing today. Okay, so I've got some makeup stuff in here, I've got more makeup stuff down here. Also, you might have noticed I'm not wearing any glasses. I just thought I would put on some contact lenses. First of all, you can't see the ring light in my glasses. Second of all, I can see what I'm doing easier. Third of all, it is kind of raining today and I don't want to have to worry about clean my glasses all night. First, I'm going to put this on, get everything out of my face. So first off, I am going to prime my face. I've been using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer for a while now. I really like it. It is quite thick consistency. It just feels like a night cream kind of. It smooths your skin really well. So I just put all of that on my face. Primer is on and onto foundation next. You know what I'm gonna do. I do actually have a few new ones, but I don't want to risk trying anything while I'm going out, so I want it all to stay on my face, and I'm gonna use what I normally use, which is the True Match L'Oreal in 1N. I do 2 small pumps and I'm gonna mix that in with the L'Oreal Paris Glotion in Light. This kind of just adds a bit of highlighter to your face. Alright. Foundation is on. I don't know if you can see that glow. It's very nice. Love using it. Following up with the True Match concealer. I have this in 1R/C. I am gonna dot this around my face. Do have a few blemishes I want to cover. Something up there, here, and here. So I have dotted that around my face. I'm just gonna let that dry a little bit. I am also gonna use this Zara bronzer stick. I don't remember the colour, so I will pop that in the description for you. It is actually not that pigmented, so I would build up. It's buildable, but it takes a few turns to do it. If you want a bit more, you can just build it up. I don't know if I lied or not, because today is quite pigmented. I kind of like it. Now I'm gonna set that with the Radiance Brick from Rimmel London. This is very pigmented, so you don't need a lot of this at all. There we go. Bronzer is on. Alright, so now I'm gonna add some blush, and I'm using the Revolution Blusher Reload in Rose Kiss. I love this colour. This is also very pigmented, so be careful. And the excess on my nose. Here we go. Love this colour. I'm gonna follow that up with the Revolution Highlighter Reload in Golden Lights. Honestly, love this one. And I know I'm using the same brush for everything, but I love this brush and I can't help myself. It's from Eden Minerals. It's a Swedish brand and you can get in a lot of the pharmacies over there. I love it because it's like the perfect angle and it just fits perfectly to my cheeks, and I just love it for everything. So I'm sorry you can't get it here either. Maybe I'll try and find one that is equally good in this country. Swapping brush. This one, so this is Real Technique Detailer brush, and I'm gonna use this one for my nose here and up my bridge, and then just someone's drilling. I don't know if you picked that up. I think that's enough. I don't like to overdo it. Now I'm just gonna set everything with my Heck of a Blot powder from Soap and Glory. I love it. So I'm using the little thingy to do my under eyes, just to make sure that it sets properly. And I also do like my chin and forehead. Then I'm taking this brush from Real Techniques. It is the Ultimate Powder Brush, and I just do the rest of my face because I don't want it to be like too dry. So I set the main areas and then I just dab this over the face. There we go. There we go. What I like to do now, after doing all of the face products, I like to set it now because my face does feel quite dry at this point. After the powder, I like to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Finny Satin. This one is one of my favorites because I get that kind of glow and soft finish, not that like matte finish. I'm gonna set my face now. Perfect. And while that dries, I'm gonna pause this thingamajiggy. It's all dried up. It's a bit wet in places. So what I'm gonna do now is my eyebrows. I'm first gonna go in with the Benefit Gimme Brow in Auburn because I colored my hair red. So now I need to match my eyebrows with my hair. And I know I could color them in, but I don't know if that would look good, so I would rather just do it with products, to be fair. But let me know if you want me to show you how I colour my hair, and I can colour my eyebrows in that as well. We'll see how that goes. So you can see it's a little bit darker. So I just brush this through my eyebrows. And that is actually all I do. I don't use any pencils. I just take this tip bit that has some colour in it and I go through areas that are a little bit sparse, and that is it. So as you can see, first of all, it looks a lot thicker. Second of all, it matches my hair a lot better. I'm gonna do my other eyebrow now. I'm gonna follow up with the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit as well. There we go. That is all I do to my eyebrows, and they are uneven, but you know. I am going to do my eyeshadow now. So the makeup brushes I'm going to use is the Blending Crease Brush, Instapop Eye Crease Brush, and the Detailer Brush, all from Real Techniques. I am going to use Kaya Cosmetics eyeshadow palette in Golden Bronze. And I am going to start with the Cos and put that crease. I'm just going to do one eye and then I'll do the other one later. A little bit more, brush it out a bit so it's more pointy. I will take the Habibi, smoke it out a bit. Just like that. And now I will grab the blending brush. I'm going to go in with the Cutie colour, this one here, and blend all of that together. I think I want to add a little bit more of Cos, the first colour, into here to define it a bit more. I'm gonna go in with Habibi, the darker colour, and dot that as close to the waterline as possible. Just to get this kind of smoky eye look. I'm gonna grab Cutie and blend that together. I am gonna go in with a Love, beautiful golden colour, and add that to my eyelids. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna take some of the Amore and add that in the corner of my eye. And also a little bit here. Just a teeny tiny bit. That is the eye makeup look I'm going for. I'm just gonna do the same on the other eye, so I will be back in a bit. There we go. Eyeshadow is done. This eye is better than this. I think it has something to do with my eyebrow on this side. Like, I don't know, but if you can see here, like it kind of, it's hard to blend. This is a lot more snatched. So I'm gonna see what I can do about that. But let's move on for now. I am gonna go in with my trusted mascara, and it's the Sky High from Maybelline. Love, love, love this. I will take you back in. I'm gonna look down into my mirror. I don't want to get this on my eyeshadow, which I feel like I just did. There we go. Look at the difference. Do my under eyes. Gonna do the same on the other side. Eye makeup is done. All I have to do now is my lips, and my lips is the only thing I haven't figured out yet. So, actually, no. I am gonna show you what I would have done today with this face on my lips. But the next video that's coming out after this is gonna be me trying the Wonder Skin lip tint. So next video you're gonna see is gonna be in this makeup look with me trying out the Wonder Skin, and I'm gonna take you around on my birthday night after eating, after drinking, and we're gonna see how good it stayed on. So that is the video that's coming after this one. But for now, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna show you what I would have done if I was not trying that on today. So I'm gonna go for the Revlon Color Stay Longwear Lip Liner in Nude. And I'm gonna line my lips with this. So that is the lip liner on. So I'm gonna go in with the L'Oreal Paris Glow Paradise in 191 Nude Heaven. I love this combo. It is my new favorite. Honestly, I love this combo. It is the perfect nude. It goes so well together. It's this nice kind of like satin lip gloss finish, but if you want to add some more lip gloss, I've got the Rimmel London Oh My Gloss Lip Oil in Pink Flush, a bit of a pink undertone. So if you wanted to add some more gloss, I don't think you need to, I think this is lovely, but you can add a bit more, because I do love a gloss nowadays. There we go, and it adds a hint of pink glitter to it. Absolutely love this makeup look. I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna have to sort out my hair. Alright guys, so that is my finished makeup look for my going out tonight. So my eyeshadow and my lip gloss. It doesn't feel too heavy at all. There we have it. So this is the makeup look I like to do when I'm going out. It's kind of smoky eye, nude lip, not too like heavy or too strong, not too dark, just the way I like it. Yeah, this is what I'm wearing tonight, except for the lip, because as I said, I'm doing a Wonder Skin tryout review in my next video, and that is what I'm gonna wear tonight, but this is what I normally would wear when I'm going out for an evening out. Alright, that is my going out makeup look, my birthday makeup look, whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this makeup look. I will remove this, sit down and do another video, and I'm gonna try out my Wonder Skin. So subscribe to keep an eye out for my Wonder Skin review that's coming up in the next week. I hope you enjoyed watching me do this makeup look. If you like this video, please give it a like. I really appreciate it. Also, comment down below what you think of this makeup look, what else you would like to see, and please subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, especially if you want to see my following videos that are coming up in the next week. With that, have a lovely rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everybody!